Hi everyone. I have just sent out some methods for you to fully harness the beautiful healing energies of full moon. In it, one of the points which is very powerful is burn a letter. Write a letter and then burn it under the moonlight. Now, what is this? Some of you have asked me. I will explain what is the rationale behind this. What happens is that full moon is a time when your emotions are at an all time high. And if these emotions are positive, it is very energizing for you. But if these emotions are about some past pain, or you're having resentment or anger against somebody, or you feel that you are not getting the right kind of rewards by life, you can have complaints against people, against events, against life in general. Now, this is a very powerful negative emotion, and it's totally destroying and disintegrating your nervous system. So, the full moon, which comes every month, is a lovely mystical healing time for letting go of this negative emotion. Take a white paper and with a red pen, write down all that is troubling you emotionally. Remember, the key word is what do you want to let go of? आप किस चीज़ को अपनी ज़िंदगी में कम करना चाहते हैं? किस नेगेटिविटी या किस डिस्टर्बेंस को कम करना चाहते हैं? What is the disturbance or the negativity you want to lessen or you want to let go from your life? Write it down in detail. Let your emotions flow. Connect with the divinity and ask and pray for freedom from this negative emotion. Write this down. You can do this anytime during the day, and in the night time under the full moon. Light a candle, and after that, again connect with your angels or your divinity and make an affirmation in your mind that I am letting this go. This is no longer a part of my life. And saying this, you pick up that piece of paper you had written your emotions on and you will burn it. And you will let the ashes fly out into the air. Let it get immersed in the air element. If the pain is less, you will feel relief within 1 month. As the moon is becoming smaller and smaller in the subsequent fortnight, you will see that the pain or the negativity will start coming down. Or if you feel that it's very intense, then you can do this ritual for coming few months. You can even do this up till a year till you feel complete relief from it. Hope this explains you. I really wish that you can use this opportunity to cleanse your aura and to cleanse your emotional being. Happy moonlighting. This is Rachita signing off. Thank you all so much for connecting with me.